2 plus 2 equals 4, 8 times 4 equals 32, and 32 divided by 32 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division, a multiplication and an addition operator present. We also have parentheses present, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 2 plus 2, it gives us 4. Our expression simplifies to 32 divided by 8 times 4. Now we have division and multiplication operators present according to the order of operations. Multiplication and division, they have equal level of priority, but it's very important that we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that is on the left side. 32 divided by 8, that gives us 4. And finally 4 times 4, that gives us 16, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.